Hey there, curious minds. Before we dive in Newton's Year of Wonders, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing stories from the world of science. What if the world's greatest scientific leap happened during a deadly lockdown? London, 1665. The Great Plague spreads like wildfire. Universities shut down. A young Isaac Newton returns to his countryside home. At Woolsthorpe Manor, isolated from the world, Newton began to think. No lab, no team, just parchment, ink, and a restless mind. A question stirred. How do things move? How do they change? While the world froze, Newton's mind raced forward. Falling apples, spinning wheels, flowing rivers. Nature whispered secrets. But old math wasn't enough. He needed something new. He called it fluxions. Today we call it calculus. With a prism and sunlight, he created rainbows on his walls. Light, he found, was made of colors, not pure. Each color bent differently. That's refraction. He even poked his own eye just to test vision. From magic to mathematics, he made light understandable. Then one quiet day, an apple fell. Why straight down? What pulled it? An invisible force acting at a distance. That force would become gravity, and it ruled both the apple and the stars. Newton studied everything that moved. He saw patterns, precise and predictable. First law, objects stay at rest unless pushed. Second law, more force means more acceleration. F equals m times a. Third law, every action has an equal and opposite reaction. Nature wasn't random. It followed rules, mathematical ones. He saw the world in motion, but governed by order. In just 1 year, he rewrote the rules of the universe. Those rules would launch rockets, build bridges, and shape science. He didn't just survive the plague, he reshaped the future. After the plague passed, Newton returned to Cambridge. But he wasn't the same student anymore. He was a force of nature. He turned quiet thoughts into groundbreaking theories. Years later, he published Principia Mathematica. Inside, the laws of motion, universal gravitation, a new physics. The world finally had a language to describe the universe. Apples and planets followed the same rules. For the first time, we understood the clockwork of the cosmos. From tides to orbits, motion had meaning. Newton gave us the tools to predict the future. But he wasn't just a physicist. He studied alchemy, theology, even ancient history. Obsessed with patterns, symbols, and the mysteries of creation. A scientist with the soul of a seeker. He searched for truth in both numbers and nature. Centuries later, his laws still guide our world. From falling rockets to flying satellites, Newton's fingerprints remain. Every physics class begins with him. Every scientist stands on his shoulders. And every question of why echoes his spirit. All of it began in silence. No classroom, no lab, just isolation. A pandemic tried to stop progress, but one young man turned it into a revolution. Newton's Year of Wonders wasn't just brilliant. It was proof that the quietest years can be the loudest. So if you're stuck, alone, or uncertain, remember great minds grow in quiet seasons. What will your Year of Wonders be? Like, comment, and subscribe, and let the curiosity begin.